What if I told you one of the biggest AI companies isn't NVIDIA? It's Micron Technology, a company powering the AI revolution with advanced memory chips. But after its recent pullback, investors are asking one important question. Should you buy Micron stock now, or wait for a better opportunity? In this video, we'll break down Micron's fundamentals, chart, analyst targets, and whether it's a smart investment today. Let's dive in. Micron Technology is one of the world's largest manufacturers of memory and storage products. The company produces dynamic random access memory, NAND Flash, high bandwidth memory, HBM. These chips are used in artificial intelligence, data centers, cloud computing, smartphones, gaming, autonomous vehicles. As AI demand continues to explode, memory chips are becoming more important than ever. At the time of this video, stock price around $849, market cap nearly $959 billion. PE ratio 19.3, EPS $44.80, revenue $37.38 billion, net income $8.54 billion. These numbers show that Micron is generating strong profits while still trading at a reasonable valuation compared to many AI companies. Micron recently reported impressive results. Highlights include operating cash flow $25.39 billion, free cash flow $18 billion. This means Micron is producing massive amounts of cash. Strong cash flow allows the company to invest in new technology, expand production, reward shareholders, strengthen its balance sheet. That's exactly what long-term investors like to see. The biggest reason investors love Micron is AI. Every advanced AI model requires enormous amounts of memory. Whether it's ChatGPT, AI servers, autonomous vehicles, cloud data centers, they all depend on high-performance memory. As AI adoption grows, demand for Micron's products could continue increasing over the next several years. Now let's look at the chart. Recently, Micron experienced a healthy correction after a strong rally. Current price is trading around $849. Important levels, support zone, $830 to $860. Strong buy zone, $780 to $800. If buyers defend these levels, Micron could begin its next upward move. However, if the market weakens further, short-term volatility is still possible. According to analysts, average target $1,581, highest target $2,200, lowest target $470. Most analysts currently rate Micron as a strong buy. While no forecast is guaranteed, Wall Street remains optimistic about the company's long-term growth potential. No investment is risk-free. Here are a few things investors should keep in mind. First, memory prices are highly cyclical. Second, Micron has a high beta, meaning the stock can't move sharply in both directions. Third, any slowdown in AI spending could impact future earnings. That's why risk management is essential. If you're investing for the next 1 to 3 years, Micron looks like an attractive AI stock. Instead of investing all your money at once, consider using a dollar-cost averaging strategy. For example, buy a small amount today, add more if the stock falls. Continue building your position over time. This approach helps reduce the impact of market volatility. Here are my personal outlooks. Conservative target, $1,200. Base case, $1,500 to $1,600. Bull case, $2,000 to $2,200. These targets depend on continued AI demand, strong earnings, and favorable market conditions. Micron is no longer just a traditional memory company. It's becoming one of the key players behind the AI revolution. With strong cash flow, improving earnings, and growing AI demand, Micron remains an exciting stock to watch. The biggest question isn't whether AI will grow. It's whether you want to own the companies powering that growth. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest stock market analysis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.